Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make some oatmeal raisin cookies that are zero waste. It's a little bit different, but I thought I'd try it, so let's begin. So as I've already said, this video is a little bit different as I'm showing you inside of the shop that I went to buy these ingredients from, which is called the Clean Kilo. It's a no waste supermarket based in Digbeth in Birmingham, and let me tell you, I wasn't sure what to expect when I first went in. And you go in, you've got nuts, cereals, flour, fresh produce, all locally produced as well, which is fantastic. You can even get spices and oils. You can get pretty much everything. So if you are looking to change your lifestyle and become a little less wasteful, a shop like this could really be beneficial. All you have to do is bring your own containers, so there is no packaging waste, which is a big one for me, as I was finding from the supermarket that you was getting a lot more waste. Whereas here you can take your own containers and you can wait directly into the storage that you would keep it in anyway. So why not do it? They sell everything that you need to bake with, so if you're local or not, if you're in Birmingham, go down and visit them. It's totally worth it. The process may seem a bit daunting at first, but it's really easy. All you do is weigh your container first, so it gets the weight of that. It prints out a sticker and you put that on. You can keep that sticker on there if you intend on going back in the future. You then weigh out however much or whatever you want of an ingredient or a product. So then you just scan the barcode that you got earlier on, put your tub back on the scales, it'll tell you how much it weighs, select the product, print your label out, and then you're done until you go to checkout. So into a bowl you'll want to place your butter, your caster sugar and your light brown sugar. And just beat the three together until they are well combined. So this should only take a couple of minutes. You can then add in your egg and give that a good mix until the egg is fully incorporated. Don't forget to give your bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. So next you can add in your dry ingredients, passing them through a sieve first just to remove any lumps that may be in the mixture already. You will then want to mix this on a low to medium speed just until the flour is almost fully incorporated. So once the flour is almost incorporated, you can then add in your rolled oats and your raisins. You will then want to give this a brief mix just until everything is incorporated and well dispersed. So once your cookie dough is done, you can then take 2 scoops of cookie dough, which is around 55 to 60 gram, and then roll it together and place onto a baking tray, flattening slightly just to help them spread a bit, as these don't spread very much while baking. So here are what the cookies look like once they are fully baked. As an additional finish, you can add a few raisins onto the top of each cookie. This is what I've done, as I do like quite a lot of raisins, but feel free to skip this step. And that's it, you are done. So that's my recipe for chunky oatmeal raisin cookies. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me. And I'll be back again next week with another video. If you'd like to see more no waste recipes in the future, feel free to let me know in the comments down below or message me on one of my social medias. I will leave all the links you need in the description down below. That will include links to my blog where this recipe will be, so don't forget to go and check it out. And if you are local in Birmingham, go and check out the Clean Kilo. I'm pretty sure you'll enjoy it. But that's all for this week. Bye guys.